no gold is not in her. She's a diamond under.
Hey, so this is Short Mama 757 Coupon. Right now, y'all know I'm at work. But anyway, I just wanted to come up here because, and I know it seems like I'm looking this way. I'm not used to actually being on camera recording. But I'm coming over here because I want to really discuss something. Someone had really, it really hurt my feelings because this person wanted to start a YouTube channel. They want to record, they want to do all the stuff that everybody else doing. But the thing is, they got so discouraged, and I'm getting these messages more often, okay, that they got discouraged, that people didn't they won't tell them what editing tools that they're using, or they want to charge them to tell them the editing tools that they're using. And I get that too, because when I was trying to edit my videos and try to do more with my channel, people actually said that they was going to charge me, or it was a price for them just to tell me what app or what software they were using to edit video. They actually said they wanted to charge me. And that really hurt my feelings, because I feel like YouTube is a big enough platform. I mean, come on now. To tell somebody an editing tool that you're using should not cost nobody any money. Because, and that's just my personal feeling about that. It's not like you sitting down telling them how to edit. And that was just my personal opinion. So I did a little short video kind of showing you like a beginner friendly. These apps are free. Of course, you can do more if you get the paid version of these two apps that I mentioned. I feel like if you're really serious about this, go ahead and do the paid version. I mean, one is like $3.99 for the whole year. The other one, Power Direct, is like $9.99 for 3 months. Still, both of these are cheap apps, I keep telling people, I do my editing on my phone. I do everything on my phone because I don't know how to do all that computer stuff. So I'm just going to show you the quick video. I just wanted to get up here and explain everything because it really hurt my heart. Like I said, people say they want videos like this. I didn't go into great detail because people say they want videos like this, but they don't watch the videos like this. Prime example, people say they wanted me to show you how to set a stop path, but a lot of people did not watch that video when I did it. So I don't really do a whole lot of videos, informational videos like this, because people say they want it, but they don't really watch it. You get what I'm saying? So I hope this help. I hope this very, for all the people that actually want to do like YouTube or something, I hope this help. But anyway, hope you enjoy. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show y'all. A lot of people think that you need so much, or it takes so much to start YouTube and to start editing your videos. It really don't. You know what I'm saying? This is just a simple app that I use, and I'm going to show you 2 apps that I use to edit a video. And the only reason why I'm showing this because it breaks my heart when I see other YouTubers, people that want to do YouTube and everything, and they ask simple questions, and other YouTubers have to be so nasty about it, because that's what happened to me. This is how I end up looking up this type of information, okay, and finding the answer myself, or finding what worked best for me myself. Now, like I said, I do not use I don't use my computer to edit because I don't know how to do all of that. I'm not really computer savvy. This is one of the apps I use, and I'm going to show you again. This is called UCut. I got the Pro because I think it's like $3.99 or something for the whole year for the Pro. Don't ask me what the Pro is, what it provides. I don't know, because I don't even think I looked at all the features that it probably do provide. But all I know is $3.99 for a whole year is very cheap, so I just paid for it. Okay, so I'm just going to use, when I say simple, this is not one of those advanced editing tools. I'm going to show you what else I use for something more advanced, but this is not advanced. This is something simple. Like if you, let's say prime example, you recorded a video. Here I'm going to click this, I'm going to no, let's do this first, okay? Let's say first you make mistake and you record vertical instead of horizontal, okay? Like right here. Okay, right here is showing that I made a mistake and I recorded instead of doing it vertical. I did it. I recorded vertical instead of horizontal. I know I pronounced that word wrong, but y'all deal with me. But this is just a quick way. All I will have to do with this video is click right here and rotate it. Bam, solve that issue, and then click right on out of it. Okay, this is one of those simple solutions to, and just say, oh, I got a phone call and it cuts the video completely off. All I have to do is add, and where the video has stopped at, which is probably right here, I can just say, okay, I want to add that to it, and boom. And just say, okay, where it's in the wrong section or it's not in the right area, all I will have to do is click right here and say, this supposed to be in front of that, and click out of it, and boom. That is simple editing, and see, and boom, everything is the way it's supposed to be. This is one of those simple editing tools that I use. I've been using this for years, and I know people say, oh, this is so mediocre or whatever. Okay, it's cool with me. I can deal with that. But if you just starting off and you just want simple how to merge, because I think one girl said her issue is when she recording, the recording would stop if she get a phone call for one of her kids, and then she got to start all over. This is a simple solution to that. Or she made a mistake and recorded vertical instead of horizontal, and so you got to lean your head to the side just to see the receipt. This is the simple solution to that. It's simple solution. Okay, and then after that, all you do is save, and you basically merge both of these together, and that's your video. And you can basically, you just edit, and you can do more with this. I'm not gonna go through all the details, but I'm just want to show you can do more with this. You can trim, like if you feel like your video too long, you want to cut off, you can cut certain parts, and you can split your video, so you can do, it's a lot more you can do with this. But this is more what people would call a mediocre or a beginner type of editing. And when you're doing videos, this is what you want to start off with. You don't want to start off with something that's so massive and you be like, oh my God, this is too much, I will never learn. This is the best thing to start off with. So now I'm going to show you another app that I use, because I feel so bad when people ask these simple questions and it's like people don't want to tell you the answer. Or I had a person that actually said I had to pay them for them to tell me something so simple. So I'm going to show you another app that I use, that you can use with this, okay? So hold on for a second. Okay, so here is another tool that I use. This is called Power Direct. This is a kind of more advanced. A lot of people use this. This is the one that a lot of people use. Now, I use the one on my phone. I got the phone out. It is a computer version of this, but I don't use the computer version. Like I said, I record on my phone. It just seems so much easier for me to be able to do this on my phone. Okay, then for me to have to transfer this, need SD cards or hard drive. I don't got time for all that. I don't know how to do all that. I'm not that advanced. I'm going to be honest. All I do is I go to new project, okay? Press OK. You pick and choose. Let me go back to show you what I mean by you pick and choose. And see, this gives you directions on how to do this. I still use the directions, and I've been doing this for a minute now. But you choose, do you want it horizontal or do you want it vertical? The only thing about it, once you start recording, you cannot change it back. Okay, once you start editing your video, you cannot change it back. So you choose which one. If you want it to be vertical, which is this one right here, or do you want to be horizontal? You got to choose right there, and you can't change it once you choose. You get to name your project. I barely ever name my project anyway, but right there, this is stuff I already have, like my theme music. I always have that right there. that I already have it downloaded. I don't never delete it, so I can just have it. You can see right here that it came from UCut because I edited it on UCut because it's easier for me to edit and trim it on UCut than another what y'all. So I would add this, which is my regular, I was starting off with that, and then I would ease out of that. And then you see right here the tap to access video captures and stuff. Bam. I would hit that and hit another and I would go back to UCut, and the video that I just added, basically the video that I just added together, which is probably this one right here. So the video that I just added, I will put it right there. Okay? From UCut, because the videos from UCut that I just did, that I merged together, I will put it right there. And then tap that, and bam. And all I got to do is stretch it out, and that is my video. Okay? Easy. People want to know, and this is for the movie. If you want to move it, you want to add something else to it, or you want to put something else in front of it, that's how you do that. I'm not going to, like I said, too much details, because most people say they want videos like this, but then they don't really look at videos like this. So this is just a simple way. Prime example, people say, well, how you put stuff up there? Easy. Like couponing a regular, they say people screenshot 24/7. Screenshot, I said I had the 8 off of 4 or something. Let me see, can I find that screenshot or something up there? You know what, I'm just going to use this. Yes, I'm saying that it's buy one, get one half off. Boom. I'm pulling that right there where I took the screenshot, as it said, because it shows all the stuff that you screenshot and stuff on your phone. And I'm going to, bam. And that's how I do it. And I just can move it all around. You can even add other videos up there. It's easy. And I don't understand why people making it seem like it's harder than what it is. Okay? People act like they can't tell you, they got to charge you to tell you, and that's how easy it is. Okay, so I'm also going to show you another quick thing that you can do to learn about all this information, that you don't have to wait on me or wait on anybody, to be honest. Don't stop this from making your coins. Let me show you another way that you can learn about how to do this stuff. Okay, this is the best way for you to learn. Best editing app. I'm on YouTube right now, and I type for Android, okay? Because here's several people. I think I got UCut and direct Power Direct from this guy right here. See, and I don't want to get copyrighted, but this is how you basically learn stuff. I got that from him. He's very, very good. Justin Brown. I think I probably even got some info from him, but I think I really got a lot of info from this guy right here, the Justin Brown guy. But this is how you can look up stuff, because YouTube is a great platform. You can make a great amount of income off this, but don't be so scared. Just don't be so disturbed. Don't let people bring you down. And I know it's sad that a lot of people don't want to help, or everybody want to put a dollar sign on everything. And this is just a quick video that I wanted to show you, just something just simple, just to show you. You can just look this stuff up on your own. You don't have to let that hinder you for doing what you want to do. Make your coin, if this is what you want to do it. Just do it. I just showed you a quick pointers. I hope this helped. I think this is very beginner friendly. Please like, comment, subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram, and good luck to everybody that want to do those YouTube and trying to get out there. I'm here to help. I'm trying to help. I'm not a big YouTuber at all, but I feel like YouTube is a big enough platform that everybody can get on it. So anyway, like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, like this video, share this video, and do all those things those people tell you to do at the end of the video. Bye.